Hello everyone, this is David Lewis. Over the years, people in our industry have always asked me, if you could have any job in the dealership, what job would you take? And my answer has always been the same. I would be a salesperson. When asked why I would rather be a salesperson over a GM or a sales manager, my answer again is always the same. See, a salesperson is the easiest job in the dealership that requires the least amount of effort and time. Of course, the follow-up question from everyone is, how is that so? You have to work long hours, evenings, and weekends. Again, my reply is always the same. I would only work 5 days each week. I would not work nights or weekends, and I would still outsell and out-earn every other salesperson in the dealership. I bet now I have your attention. Well, consider this. Who would want a job selling cars that has no competition, requires no advertising, can acquire great trades, and have higher than average grosses and closing ratios? Everyone. Every salesperson would want that job, and every dealership would want the results this position can create. So how am I going to accomplish this? Well, it's simple. I'm going to sell off the service drive. The service drive is the most misused opportunity for selling cars in almost every dealership. On average, most dealerships are missing upwards of 25 to 30 cars per month. These car deals are easy to close and create strong grosses. So why do most dealerships fail to reach these potentials? Well, there are 3 reasons. First, they use the wrong sales approach. Selling in service is the complete opposite of selling a walk-in, phone-up, or internet lead. Second, most have an inconsistent strategy with no effective processes in place to be successful. And third, they fail to provide the right training for success. As a training company, we have studied this area for creating additional sales in service intently. We have developed a 3-month program that will provide your dealership with everything you need to be successful selling more cars in the service department. We will guide your staff to understand the basic fundamentals of how this works, follow a process that has been proven to be successful, and provide the proper training to ensure success. So if you would like to know how we can help your dealership develop a successful sales program to sell more cars out of your service department, please reach out to us at 321-435-6000 or email us at info@davidlewis.com, and we will explain all the details to you. We truly would love to be a part of your dealership's ongoing sales success.